Hello, dear learners. The best greetings to you. This is Inayat Hossain Khan, English teacher, Lokhi Narayan Cotton Mills High School, Narayanganj, Sodor. Dear learners, today we will discuss about right form of verbs. In our previous class, we started this topic. Today, we will discuss the second segments. So, প্রিয় শিক্ষার্থী, তোমরা প্রস্তুত হও তোমাদের খাতা কলম নিয়ে। Let's start today's class. Hello dear learners, we will start today's class from this slide. A list of verb, singular, plural, both and modals. Let's see. In the first box, singular verb goes, plays, am, is, was, has. Plural verb go, play, are, were, have. In the next slide, in the next box, singular, plural, both. Here, these verbs we can use in case of singular subject and plural subject both, like had, shall, will, should, would, can, could, may, might, must, ought to, is going to, am going to, are going to, etc. Modals. Dear learners, I discussed about modals in my previous class, and you know modals have a special meaning in sentences. Modals are like shall, will, should, would, can, could, may, might, must, ought to, is going to, am going to, are going to, etc. Dear learners, let's see the next slide. Subject verb agreement for passive mood. প্রিয় শিক্ষার্থী, আমাদের পরীক্ষাতে কিছু সেন্টেন্স থাকে যেগুলি প্যাসিভ মুডে লেখা থাকে এবং সেই প্যাসিভ মুডের স্ট্রাকচারটা আমরা দেখব। তবে এখানে ইনএনিমেট সাবজেক্টের ক্ষেত্রে প্যাসিভ মুডের স্ট্রাকচারটা কেমন হয় সেদিকে আমরা দৃষ্টিপাত করব। ফর ইনএনিমেট সাবজেক্ট প্যাসিভ মুড, প্যাসিভ বি প্লাস past participle. Dear learners, you know already what is past participle. Past participle means V3. Here example, pen is used for writing. Dear learners, here pen is inanimate subject and we used here the verb used. This is the past participle form of the verb use. So see the next one, inanimate, that is pen is used passive. If subject omitted, passive mood. Subject যদি omitted থাকে তাহলে passive moodটা কিভাবে হয়? Dear learners, have a look on the screen. He is given 10 taka daily. Look, he, object, is given passive. A few subjects seems to be inanimate but animate. প্রিয় শিক্ষার্থীরা, কিছু সাবজেক্ট রয়েছে যেগুলি দেখতে ইনএনিমেট কিন্তু আসলে তারা অ্যানিমেট। লাইক উইন্ড ব্লোজ, রিভার ফ্লোজ. Let's see the next slide. Dear learners, In the next slide, this is CW, word individually. Instruction: read the following text and fill in the blanks with the words given below. And for completing this task, I am giving you 5 minutes, and after 5 minutes we will check out our answers and we will try to understand the subject verb agreement. Your time starts now. Dear learners, our time's over. Now we will check out our answers. So let's start. Dear learners, check your answer. An electric computer solves difficult problems quickly. Here, an electric computer is singular subject. That's why we use here verb solves. It has made our life easy and comfortable. It here third person and singular number. That's why we use here has. Like all other sectors, education sector is going forward using ICT. Here, education sector, singular subject, that's why we used here is, and this one is continuous, present continuous tense. Look, for this purpose, every educational institution has been given multimedia equipment. This statement here is in passive mood. That's why we used the verb given. However, a few institutions have got computer lab. A few institutions, plural, that's why I used here verb have. But many do not have had computer lab. This sentence is very interesting. Their first have is the auxiliary verb and had is here main verb. Actually, had is here the past participle form of the verb have. Hence, the government plans to fulfill this demand within short time. In the last sentence, the government is singular subject. That's why we use the verb singular, plans. I hope you all understood. So, let's see what we have in the next slide. Dear learners, let's see more examples of subject-verb agreement. If a subject is modified by the word each or every, everyone, everything, that subject is singular. আমরা যদি each, every, everyone, everything পাই তাহলে সেই সাবজেক্টটি সিঙ্গুলার হবে। প্রিয় শিক্ষার্থী, তুমি নোট রাখো, যদি each, every, everyone, everything আমরা পাই তাহলে সাবজেক্টটি সিঙ্গুলার হবে। Example: each boy and girl walks to the store. Every boy is responsible for his duty. Everyone walks to the store. Everything comes back eventually. Dear learners, if subjects are joined by or, not, or, but, the verb must only agree with the subject that is closest to it. প্রিয় শিক্ষার্থী, একটু মনোযোগ দিলে আমরা এই রুলসটি আরো সহজে বুঝতে পারি। যদি বাক্যে আইদার অর, নাইদার নর দ্বারা দুটি নাউন বা প্রোনাউন যুক্ত থাকে, পরবর্তী নাউন বা প্রোনাউনের নাম্বার ও পার্সন অনুযায়ী ভার্ব বসবে। I'm telling again, write down the note. Either dot dot or neither dot dot nor দ্বারা দুটো নাউন বা প্রোনাউন যুক্ত থাকলে পরবর্তী নাউন বা প্রোনাউনের নাম্বার ও পার্সন অনুযায়ী ভার্ব বসবে। For examples, either Bobby or her brother walks to the store. Look, here we used walks, and here the subject which on will get emphasized, that is her brother, and that's on. B, neither Bobby nor her brothers walk to the store. In the second sentence, brothers, her brothers is the subject, that's why we used walk. Nobody but her brothers walk to the store. Look, her brothers, again, that's why we used walk. Not Bobby but her brother walks to the store, indefinite. Look, here her brother, that's on is singular, that's why we use walks. আশা করি প্রিয় শিক্ষার্থীরা এই রুলটি তোমরা বুঝতে পেরেছো। তাহলে দেখা যাক পরবর্তী স্লাইডে কি আছে। A few nouns such as economics, physics or news and in is but are considered singular. You can call these as words singular because if you take the s away it will turn into adjective. It is interesting. Look, economic and new are adjectives that describe a noun. They are not noun, rather adjective. For example, economics is her favorite subject, and economics is singular. যদিও এখানে দেখো এস দিয়ে শেষ হয়েছে, কিন্তু এটা একটি সিঙ্গুলার সাবজেক্ট। দ্য নিউজ, এটাও একটি সিঙ্গুলার সাবজেক্ট, যদিও এস দিয়ে শেষ হয়েছে। ইজ দ্য নিউজ ইজ রিড বাই আশরাফুজ্জামান। Let's see the next slide. When the subject is a unit of measurement of time, distance, money, weight, etc., the unit is considered singular. Example, 10 pounds of chocolate is too much to eat at once. 10 miles is a long distance. The verb must agree only with the subject. Dear learners, today we will finish our class here, and from the present slide we will continue our next class. Dear learners, today we completed the second segments of right form of verbs, and obviously we will see in the next class with the third segments. Until then, be safe. Allah Hafiz.